This thing sucks. But that's a good thing. This is Budaya Pop. Hello, welcome back to the show. As you can see, I have a very huge package here. I just bought myself a brand new spraying booth. This one is bigger than the previous one that I had because I felt this other one was a bit small. So every time I had to like spray, my hands would be really close together. So I sold my old one to my friend and I bought myself a brand new one. So let's unbox this bad boy. Wow. Okay, take out all this junk first. What is this? Oh, so power brick. Powers up the damn thing. Oh wait, I actually gave two. I don't know which is which. Find out. Yeah. So very similar to the old one. It's lights, the hose. So this goes through your window. So all you have to do is open a small gap, so you don't have to open the window rather wide. Just have a little small gap, put it in between, and then you're golden. Okay. Oh. Look at this monster. Holy crap. This is huge. Okay, let me just take out all the delicate parts first. Cool instruction manual. Look at all that junk. As you can see, this is the spray booth. It's way bigger than the previous one that I had. They have, I don't know if you can see it, I think you can see. There's two fans instead of the one from the previous one. Two modes, I guess. So this one is for fan 1 and then this is fan 2. This is the, I guess, the light switch, and this is where the power goes in. Anything else? No, yeah. Oh, this way. And then have that there. And then that there. Huh. Okay. Filters are inside. It's pretty neat. I mean, not as heavy as I thought it would be. Oh, see? It's pretty wide. Enough room to spray. So, the lights. Is it all right? Yep. These are all the lights. Comes with your hose. It's like an accordion. Bend, swerve around, you know, kind of fit through whatever corners you need to fit in order to get the end of this to a window. So wait, so I think this one goes here, this one goes here, I think. Somewhat. Oops. I hit the mic. I think I did. Okay. I'm gonna try and assemble this as quickly as I can. Looks simple enough.
One debt to society later.
Ha! Done and done. Okay. So now let's test this bad boy out. And let there be light. Oh. Okay. Pow! Yeah, see? Spray booth. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Pretty good, pretty bright. Okay. Let's see how this baby sucks. Okay, fan 1. Pretty good. And let's see how it sucks. Alright, I guess. So that's fan 1. Try fan 2. There's 2 fans. Woo. That's pretty loud. Pretty loud. See, so I like to do this test. Woo. If you want to get your hands on the exact same spray booth, you can make your way down to Sikitan Pla Model Store in Bram Mall. Just ask for Elaine. Tell her that you want this spray booth and then she'll sort you out. I'm quite happy with this humongous purchase. I haven't been spray painting for a while now, but I would like to get back into that real soon. So hopefully with this new spray booth, I can start spray painting again. Well, that's our show for today. It was a very short and simple video. I just wanted to share my unboxing of my new spray booth. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.